Hello, today we will guide you through how to create slides in Genspark. To get started, open Genspark in your web browser. This is the main workspace where you can access its AI-powered tools, including the slide creation feature. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to spot the tool you need. If the home page includes multiple options or panels, don't worry. You'll just be looking for the Slides feature. Next, click on AI Slides. This will take you into the part of Genspark designed specifically for building presentations with AI assistants. If you're new to the platform, this section is where you can quickly turn an idea, topic, or outline into a presentation draft without having to build every slide manually. It's a helpful starting point if you want to save time or need support organizing your content. Once you're in the AI Slides area, you'll have the option to select a sample template or enter a sample prompt. If you choose a sample template, Genspark can give you a ready-made structure to work from. This is useful if you want inspiration or if you'd like a presentation format that already follows a clear visual style. Templates can help you move faster, especially when you're not sure how to begin. If you prefer more control over the topic, you can enter a sample prompt instead. This tells the AI what kind of presentation you want it to create. For best results, keep your prompt clear and specific. For example, include the subject, the intended audience, or the overall goal of the presentation. The more direction you provide, the more relevant the generated slides are likely to be. At this stage, your main focus is simply choosing the path that works best for you, either starting from a template or starting from a written prompt. Both options are designed to make slide creation easier and more efficient. If you're experimenting for the first time, it can be helpful to try a template first and then compare that with a prompt-based approach later. That's all it takes to begin creating slides in Genspark. By opening the platform, selecting AI Slides, and then choosing a template or entering a prompt, you're setting up the foundation for an AI-generated presentation in just a few clicks.